Games are often seen as a waste of time, something you do to escape the real world or otherwise a childish hobby. But what if games had more to offer? In this video, I explore how years of playing games can teach you some surprisingly valuable lessons about personal growth and change, and how you can take those lessons into every aspect of your life. Do you want to learn how to play life better? What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, where I help geeks, gamers, and creatives to play life better. Your couch is a safe space. Your controller, your sword. You and your enemies move and react in pretty predictable ways to the inputs that you give. A lightning strike can leave you vulnerable for a few seconds, but then you're back in control. The game board, the dungeon, the map, it all offers a safe testing ground to find out new skills, new strategies, and new learnings, and with very little consequences. When we start to look at games as a tool for personal growth, we can uncover the fact that we all have countless stories and techniques neurologically wired within us. As gamers, we have more power and skills than we give ourselves credit for. Here are some lessons I've learned. Number 1, characters. We can analyze the challenges that we face in life and see how other characters or character classes could deal with them. Each character has a different approach to the challenges that the game creates. We've all been in a situation where we wished that we were playing a different character, in real life or in game, with a different skill set to easily handle the problem. Neurolinguistic programming utilizes the as-if frame that says essentially fake it until you make it. Or, as I like to say, play it until you're good at it, because experimenting with different approaches lights up different neural pathways, mirror neurons, and the key to all learning, which is curiosity. These are all important for shaping your actions, and according to Robert Dilts' logical levels, the intentional actions that you take will transform the environment that you are in. Number 2, obstacles. We can use games as a framework for the mindset that we bring to dealing with obstacles in life. The skills you have honed from years of playing games can be applied to your day-to-day engagements. Every action has consequences. You know that. And each obstacle presents a new challenge, and instead of looking at it from the character's perspective of how to solve this problem, we can look at it from the benefit or challenges that come from achieving the goal. So next time you're facing a big bad in your life, think to yourself, what rewards, quest lines, loot, or new skills will you learn from taking on and overcoming this challenge? Number 3, different ways of leveling. Leveling up is essentially about transitions and transformations. There are many different ways to level up depending on the game, and there's almost always another level. A lot of times we think that if we just do something long enough, we'll unlock the next level. Like, I've finally made it, I did it, I'm there. But the way I like to see it is that there's this continuous growing and moving with no definite borders. A new emergent state that exists as a culmination of all the experiences we've gathered. A transformation that includes all the past and pre-existing quests, learnings, and skills, or transcludes, as entrepreneur and thought leader Eben Pagan says. Another way of looking at it is that what you're seeking at a higher level already exists where you are now. You don't unlock it. It's already there. And because it already exists and you have the ability to gain experience with it, you can easily improve your life, aka level up, if you continuously show up, do the work, and be ready and willing to take in the lessons. Do this for long enough, clear all the requirements, and you emerge into a new understanding of yourself or the world around you. Ding! And as a bonus here, we learn our best lessons when we consistently take actions that push us outside our comfort zone to get new experiences and then evaluate them. games can help us with that. In closing, games can teach us a lot if we're actually willing to use them as metaphors to glue our experiences together and gain the benefit of both in-game and real-life models of reality. Make sure you like the video if you like it, and share it if you want more like it. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.